Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Ache the hairdresser, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to do these beautiful butterfly locks. So you start off first with your hair or your client's hair freshly washed. For locks, the clients doesn't necessarily have to blow dry their hair or stretch their hair. The tools I'll be using in this video are a magnetic gel band. This is just a convenient way of holding your gel to prevent spread of bacteria and just to keep it less messy. And the gel I'm using is called Xblock. So first off, you have to part the person's hair. In this video, the parting I'm going to be using would be the break layer method. Since this video is to teach you how to do the butterfly locks and not how to part, I'll be skipping the part I do the parting and I'm going to go straight into the actual tutorial. But basically what you are doing over here is to part the hair and braid down the part into just regular single braids. You can use any parting scale at all. You can go free form, you can do the break layer, you can do triangular parts. It depends on what you want. If you're a beginner, you can do the free form parting method. That one is way easier to do. So what we are doing here is doing these mini braids on the person's head entirely. You can decide to braid all the way to the end, braid halfway and twist the tips, or just leave the tips like the way I did. You'll be wrapping the hair anyway, so to me it doesn't really matter what you choose to do. The wig I'm using is called Darling Butterfly Locs. It's 20 inches and it comes 20 in each part. I'm using 3 of the parts. I'm using also the Darling Natural Twist, and this is what I'll be using to wrap the lock. Another important tool here is your crochet pin, because this is a crochet style method, so you need a crochet pin. When braiding for my clients, I try to get them as comfortable as I can. A comfortable client is a happy client. So if it's water or some snacks or a movie or some music you're going to play, do it. It makes them have a better experience. Now directly into the tutorial. First you take your crochet extension, then you put your crochet pin inside a loop. Make sure the hook of the crochet pin is open. Then you place the person's braided hair into it. What we are doing here is putting the braided hair into the loop of the crochet extension. So you can see it's free and movable like this. Now take your crochet pin and put it into the base of the hair. Then you take the tip of the braided hair, put it into the crochet pin and then pull it out. Now you have your braided hair secure and the extension also secure. This is where you take out your Darling Natural Twist. What I have is 20 inches, which is quite long, so I'm going to divide the hair into 2 by just cutting the tip. Then I am going to take just a little bit of the natural twist extension. Note that it shouldn't be too big, it should be just the right size so that it's not too bulky. Now hold the hair firmly in your hands. Place the tip of the kinky hair in your hands as well. It shouldn't be too long, just like this. Then you start to gently wrap from the base. When wrapping, make sure to tighten it slightly from the base, but please not too tight, otherwise your clients will not be able to breathe. You are doing it gently but firmly. Since the hair is butterfly locks and we don't want it to look funny, we have to start the butterfly locks technique even when we are wrapping. The technique is to use your finger to remove a little bit of the kinky hair you are wrapping the extension with. So you wrap, then you use your finger to pull out just a tiny bit. Note that when I pull it out, I go back from behind and wrap it before I continue. And this is basically what you are doing for the entire hair. Please note that you are not wrapping the entire extension. You are wrapping only up to where you added the extension and where her hair was folded. So when you are done wrapping that part, you just place the hair into your hand and then you wrap it. When doing hair, the best thing to do is watch and practice. So just take your time, watch what I'm doing. If you have a dummy or if you are doing it on someone, just keep on practicing and you are going to get used to it so quickly. One thing you have to note when wrapping is you shouldn't be wrapping too tightly. Your hand should just be firm at the base, then subsequently you loosen your grip and then wrap with less force. I hope I'm making sense, because if you don't loosen your grip, the hair will be stiff, it will be standing there and that's definitely not what we are trying to do over here. And like I said, we are doing the butterfly locks method here, so you use your finger to grab just a little bit of the hair when you are wrapping. so that you have the butterfly locks effect. When you're done wrapping, you wrap it in your palm to seal it and you're good to go. This style literally takes less than 2 hours to do. It's one of the quickest and fastest styles you could ever do. Now we are not done here. For every hairstylist, you know finishing is very important. So we are going to put some hair mousse on the scalp. Mousse cools down the scalp and it just softens the hair. It helps to avoid frizz and it holds the hair very well as well. And after applying the mousse, we are going to go in with some anti-dandruff and hair growth oil. I applied this on his scalp thoroughly, then I massage it in a little bit. Then afterwards, I'm going to take my oil sheen and spray the hair to add some shine. At this point, usually some clients will ask you to style it. Some will tell you to just leave it. Make sure to ask the client what they want. Maybe they have a style in mind. This is the final look and it looks fire. This is one of the simple beginner styles that if you are trying to learn how to do hair, it would be good to start learning with. Let me know in the comment section if this tutorial was helpful and if you are going to be trying this method. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment sections what tutorial you'd like to see next. Bye.